Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can connect Instagram to Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Simply head over to the profile page of your account. Tap on the hamburger menu at top right corner, select Settings and access Account Center. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Add an Account. You can also do it from Facebook app. Open the Facebook app, log in using your account and tap on the hamburger menu at top right corner. Then scroll down to the bottom, open Settings and select Account Center. Now the process is same as before. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.